10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏಜು ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ, ಜಾಗ್ರಫಿ, ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫಿಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ 4 ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್: ಕಾಂಚನಜುಂಗ, ಅರಾವಳಿ, ಮೌಂಟ್ ಎವರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಮೌಂಟ್ ಗಾಡ್ವಿನ್, ಆಸ್ಟಿನ್. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಉತ್ತರ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ABCD ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನಾರ್ತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹಿಮಾದ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್. ದ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನಾರ್ತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹಿಮಾದ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ Greater Himalayas, Karakoram Range, Trans Himalayas, Shivalik Hills. The dash coast extends from Mangalore to Kanyakumari. The dash coast extends from Mangaluru to Kanyakumari. Konkan, Karnataka, Malabar, none of these. Konkan, Karnataka, Malabar, none of these. The dash coast extends from Mangaluru to Kanyakumari. How many islands are there in India? 200, 247, 197, 233. How many islands are there in India? 200, 247, 197, 233. Islands are formed by corals. Dash islands are formed by corals: Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Bay of Bengal. Which islands are formed by corals? Dash is the highest peak in South India: Annamudi, Guru Shikhar, Mahendragiri, Armakonda. Dash is the highest peak in South India. ನೋಡಿ, highest peak in South India. Pir Panjal range in the Himalayas is a part of Himadri, Central Himalaya, Trans Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya. Pir Panjal range in the Himalayas is a part of Himadri, Central Himalaya, Trans Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya. Eastern coastal plain is divided into how many parts? ಅದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅಂತಾಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅದು. ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್? 4, 3, 2, 5. How many parts? 4, 3, 2, 5. The plateau. The dash plateau is bounded by Satpura and the Vindhyas in the northwest. Chota Nagpur, Malwa Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Central Plateau. Which plateau is bounded by Satpura and Vindhyas in the northwest? Dash is suitable for irrigation and agriculture: Himalayas, islands, peninsular plateau, northern plains. You may be knowing, very easy question. Dash is suitable for irrigation and agriculture. In which division of the Himalayas are the famous valleys of Kashmir, Kangra and Kulu located? The Himadri, the Himachal, the Shivaliks, the Dunes. In which division? Kangra and Kulu. Which of the following divisions of the India has the oldest land mass? Nodi, oldest land mass. India's oldest land mass. The Himalayas, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert. The average width of northern plain is, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. The average width of northern plain is dash. In 14th, dash is the highest peak in the world. Dash is the highest peak in the world. 15th question, dash are also known as outer Himalayas. Dash are also known as outer Himalayas. A narrow belt running in east-west direction along the foot of Shivaliks is. A narrow belt running in east-west direction along the foot of Shivaliks is dash. You have to find out the answer. Last, you will get the answers. The Eastern Ghats meet the Western Ghats in dash. The Eastern Ghats meet the Western Ghats in dash. The northern plain is made up of dash soil. The northern plain is made up of dash soil. 19th question. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in dash. 20. Dash coast extends from Goa to Mangalore. Dash coast extends from Goa to Mangalore. Which coast? Are you remembering? Shimla and Ranikhet hill stations are in. Shimla and Ranikhet hill stations are in. Coastal plain are useful for dash and dash. Coastal plain are useful for dash and dash. The eastern coast in the south is called. The eastern coast in the south is called dash. 24 dash and dash are the important ports. Are the important ports. Are you remembering? Dash and dash are the important ports of India. The foothills of Himalayas are called. The foothills of Himalayas are called dash. The flat bottom longitudinal structure valleys are known as. The flat bottom longitudinal structure valleys are known as. Dash was being a part of Gondwana land. Dash was being a part of Gondwana land. Dash range runs between Narmada and Tapi rivers. Dash range runs between Narmada and Tapi rivers. Which range? Are you remembering? Just write your answers in one book and then check the answers with the real answers. Dhavalgiri and Manaslu are situated in dash. 29th question. Dhavalgiri and Manaslu are situated in dash. The oldest fold mountain in India is dash. The oldest fold mountain in India is dash. Thar Desert is situated in dash part of India. Thar Desert is situated in dash part of India. Very easy question. You may be remembering. Western Ghats are also known as dash. Western Ghats are also known as dash. Tibetans call Mount Everest as dash. Tibetan call Mount Everest as dash. Mount Godwin Austen is situated in dash range. Mount Godwin Austen is situated in dash range. Dash is the largest physical divisions of India. Dash is the largest physical divisions of India. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is dash. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is dash. Now we will see the answers. Just check your answers, how much you have scored. ಈಗ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. The highest mountain peak of India is. The highest mountain peak of India ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಈಗ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಗಾಡ್ವಿನ್ ಆಸ್ಟಿನ್. ಇದು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಪೀಕ್. The mountains lying to the northwest of the Himadri are called. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಹಿಮಾಲಯಾಸ್. Greater Himalayas. The coast extends from Mangalore to Kanyakumari, Malabar. How many islands are there in India? 247. 247 is the right answer. Dash islands are formed by corals. Lakshadweep islands are formed by corals. Dash is the highest peak in South India. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಿ. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಅಣ್ಣಾಮುಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಣ್ಣೈಮುಡಿ. Pir Panjal range in the Himalayas is a part of. Pir Panjal range is a part of Central Himalaya. Central Himalaya. Eastern coastal plain is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts. The plateau is bounded by Satpura and Vindhyas in the northwest. Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Dash is suitable for irrigation and agriculture. Answer is northern plains. They are very fertile and suitable for irrigation and agriculture. In which division of the Himalayas are the famous valley of Kashmir, Kangra and Kulu located? The answer is the Himachal. In Himachal, Kangra and Kulu are located. Which of the following divisions of the India has the oldest land mass? The answer is Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ದ ಎವರೇಜ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಈಸ್ 240 to 340 kilometers. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Not to be confused with India. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Shivaliks are also known as Outer Himalayas. Outer Himalayas. Yavu Shivaliks. A narrow belt running in east-west direction along the foot of the Shivalik is Babar. The Eastern Ghats meet the Western Ghats in Nilagiris. Idu Babar. The northern plain is made up of alluvial soil. This is rich, fertile soil. The northern plain is made up of alluvial soil. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. Karnataka coast extends from Goa to Mangaluru. Shimla and Ranikhet hill stations are in Lesser Himalayas. Are in Lesser Himalayas. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನಂತ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Are in Lesser Himalayas. Coastal plain are useful for fishing and shipbuilding. Fishing and shipbuilding. The eastern coast in the south is called Coromandel. The eastern coast in the south is called Coromandel. Kochi and Visakhapatnam are the important ports of India. Kochi and Visakhapatnam is the answer. The foothills of Himalayas are called Shivaliks. The flat bottom longitudinal structure valleys are known as dunes. Peninsular Plateau was being a part of Gondwana land. Peninsular Plateau was being part of Gondwana land. Satpura range runs between Narmada and Tapi rivers. Narmada and Tapi rivers. Dhavalgiri and Mansalu are situated in Greater Himalayas. The oldest fold mountain in India is Aravali. Aravali is the oldest fold mountain. Thar desert is situated in northwestern part of India. Northwestern part of India. Western Ghats are also known as Sahyadris. Also known as Sahyadris. Tibetans call Mount Everest as Chomolungma. Chomolungma. Mount Godwin Austen is situated in Karakoram range. Mount Godwin Austen is situated in Karakoram range. Peninsular Plateau is the largest physical division of India. Is the largest physical division. Peninsular Plateau. The highest peak in Eastern Ghats is Armakonda. The highest peak in Eastern Ghats is Armakonda. This completes the objective questions of this lesson. We will again meet with other lessons, objective type questions, question paper answers, etc. Continue to watch our channel. Those who have not yet subscribe and regularly watch our channel. This is very useful for your exam. Thank you for watching.